Hello, it's Jill Pinoy. Okay, we're gonna be doing another lei tutorial. It's a money lei, but it's a different way of making the lei, the ribbon lei. It's gonna be like braiding. But if you guys see my very first video that I made before, actually I'm using the same top. I think that was a couple years ago. I made a simple braiding of lei, but that was just 2 strand. But in this video, I'm gonna make the 4 strand, and we're gonna be making another money lei. So here we go. Let's see. So I'm gonna be making it for a 6-footer child for college. So this is the color. And this is the actual material that I'm using, and this is how the width is, if you guys can see. And I just measure my son. He's 5'10", but I probably like put this much extra on each side, just to kind of like confiscate for the child that is taller than my son. So here we go. Let's start. So as you guys can see, I already made my measurement. I have 4 strands. I didn't cut the other end. It's a lot easier for me to handle this particular braiding. So and I have one ribbon by itself here, and there's 4 right here. You guys can see it's 4. That's not just 2, 4. Okay, so what we'll do is insert this guy right here, okay, and we're gonna start doing the braiding part. So this goes right here, so we won't get confused. So we'll go fold it in, and then goes the other way, and that way, and the other way. Okay, that's the beginning of it. Okay, so we're going to be doing the same procedure. We're only moving one ribbon, which is the one that we inserted, okay? And then next would be going under, over, under, over. Okay, so that's how it looks right now until we get to the end. So it's exactly what I did from left to right. You're just going under, over, under, and then over. And then you guys are gonna say, oh, it's stuck, I cannot, it's hard. No, what we'll do is hold on tight to this part of the ribbon, then slowly pull one at a time. It will come out easily, one at a time. Don't do 2, don't do 3, don't do 4, one at a time. Okay, we're only moving the loose ones on the bottom. We're not moving, we're not moving, but pulling. We're not pulling this, because this is the one that's this is the only one that's moving, only one that's moving. Okay, so let's do it again. We go over, it's under, over, it's just over, under. It's the same procedure. I think this is one of the easiest lei that I make. Easiest by far. And at least you can save some material too. Not like the other braided lei. You have to use a lot. Okay, now we do it. Take your time, don't rush. Okay, see how this thing is pulling down like that? Easy. Hold on to it, kind of fix it. There, it goes back to how it's supposed to be. And sometimes when we're pulling it, we yank it too hard. It can get pulled and get deformed, or it doesn't look perfect. You can always fix it. See? So I'm gonna keep on braiding. I will be keep on braiding on this until you guys get used to it. Just keep on going back. See if you can learn from the beginning part. And I'm gonna do a fast forward to finish this one up, guys. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, so I'm done with the length that I wanted. This is what we have. This is how it looks like. Okay. So if it's kind of like this, all you have to do is kind of like hold on tight on the end and slightly pull it, so make it nice and straight. Okay, so all you guys have to do, and everything will be nice and perfect. So this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna pre-make the ribbons in the I'm gonna start folding the money, and before I put it together I'm gonna show it to you guys. And yeah, well, I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how I put the ribbon on the money. Just put it, make sure this is the one that's out. This is the back of the dollar bill. So we just insert them in the back. Okay, go ahead and insert them. Make it even. Okay, so we tie it. We tie it like that. Kind of like fix it and then make a bow right on the top. Just a regular bow making. Okay. We have that bow there. We're gonna try and fix it. Here's our bow. Okay, and then we're gonna trim the side to make it more nicer. Okay, so I'm gonna trim the sides. Trim it like that. And then the other side, I'm gonna trim it. Make sure it's balanced. So this is how you have all your money ready to put together. I already pre-made the green color because we're working on green and white color for the school. It's actually for University of Hawaii. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the other part of the ribbons. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish the lay. I decided to use this type of ribbon because the other ribbon that I have, I noticed it's a different color, so I don't want to use this. I'm gonna use this, and I just made a plain ribbon, a bow ribbon like. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my glue gun and get it ready because we're gonna finish them up. Okay, just grab something in here. Make sure the glue doesn't drip on my stuff. So this is my first one right here. You guys can see it. Okay, is my glue gun hot enough? Just getting there. Give 30 more seconds. You don't put much. I just put the glue right there. Okay, that's good enough. And I'm gonna put it right on the bottom. Okay. this one. We just leave a little space in between for these guys later on to go. It's not much space. It's just that much for this guy to go, okay? Because we have to make sure we fit all this $20 that we put together, that we finish. Okay, so we go white, green, white, green. Next. There. Right there. So I'm gonna do a fast forward so you guys don't have to watch the whole entire procedure. Okay, our next step is putting in this tiny bows in between them. So like what we have here, we have space, not so much space, just enough space to put these bows in between. So what we do is put it right here. I'm just gonna prepare it, and then we'll go from there. So let me do a fast forward and putting them together, okay guys? There you have it, guys. We are done with the lei. This is the finished product. This, as you guys can see, is a different design of a lei. I'm gonna try and put it on so you guys can see. So this is how the lei looks like. It's pretty long. It's for a tall kid. But on this end right here, I'm gonna put another nice ribbon. I'll be using this particular type of ribbon on the bottom to finish the end, but this is actually totally finished, just a ribbon on the bottom, and it's perfectly done. Another money lei tutorial for you guys. So this is perfect for graduation, okay? And I know it's graduation time now, so hopefully you guys are able to make this particular type of money lei. It's very simple. It's just a lot of folding and gluing it together and putting it together, but other than that, braided lei is very simple, okay? And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha. Bye bye.